If you want to insert SIM card into Motorola Moto G56, then we need to take a look at the left side of the phone where we can find the SIM tray. Over here we have this hole, and we need to use the SIM eject tool in order to make the SIM tray pop out. So we're gonna insert this eject tool into this hole over here, and then use a little bit of force in order to make the SIM tray slightly pop out. Once that is done, we need to use our fingernails in order to completely remove the SIM tray. There we go. And over here we can insert our SIM card. So I'm gonna use this one over here. We need to make sure that we match the shape of the slot. So we're gonna do something like this. It goes in really easily. This is the side up, as we can read over here, so we need to insert it back into the phone like this. So we're gonna put it in like so, and just push it with your finger. Make sure that it is fully in, that it doesn't stick out. I mean, the SIM tray doesn't stick out, because we don't want to cause any damage to the phone because of that. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.